So, good morning, everybody, and thank you for the virtual attendees. My name is Jaime. Luezas Jaime is the name. I work for Puertos del Estado in Spain, which is the part of the port administration. And our Living Lab, our project is called SIMPLE. SIMPLE is the acronym of the simplification of processes for logistic enhancement, which is the meaning and the objective and the main objective of our project. Sorry, because we have okay, thank you. So the SIMPLE is try to be a platform to make possible a collaborative space for the exchange of data between the different nodes and modes of the transport chain. And the main aims are to share data between the different actors in the supply chain, to enable to make easy the data exchange between the operators and from the operators with the administration also. So trying to optimize the existing operations and the existing reporting obligations to simplify the transshipments and the relation between the road, rail, and maritime operators in Spain, trying to promote the synchromodality between these three modes. And we try to enable the interoperability with between the external system and platforms to try to achieve the real-time tracking of shipments and to improve the knowledge also about the national freight flows and its nature. So this is an objective to improve the infrastructure planning in our country, and also with this data sharing, interoperability, and simplification of processes. We are working also in the defining of a governance model for the platform and the interoperability between them, and to define and implement security of this solution with to guarantee confidentiality and the security of the data exchange and the data use and the data sovereignty. We comply, we think SIMPLE comply with all the leading principles of federated and of the DTLF also. We are going to highlight this, the follow. You have there in the image the leading principles that are going to be highlighted in our demo. I am not going to give more time in this because I think we must improve agenda. Compliance, and of course we are working in the semantic model that has been explained this morning. Here you have more or less the flower model concepts and the data that we are trying to take the same language to the three modes. No? And now in the back, okay, yes, no, okay, one less. And then, okay, I am going to show you the demo, and the demo is about the transport order. So we are trying to connect it with SIMPLE and an external platform, which is a Spanish platform, which is called WebTrans. I would like to thank you them for the effort. So the consignor is going to register a transport order in the WebTrans system, and then the SIMPLE platform and WebTrans through an API are going to check and to send the minimum data, and the SIMPLE is going to assign a shipment ID, which is an important issue that we are defining. That is then the need to identify each shipment with a number, because there is no any identification common for the three sectors. And then in another moment, stakeholders could check this event and the data associated, so they can request to the WebTrans the endpoint and the complete data set, and this will be recovered by Simple and show in the graphical user interface of Simple or in the systems of the stakeholders. And now I would like to check if my colleagues in Madrid are prepared to the demo. So Germán, are you there? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, good morning. I don't know if you can hear me.
Yeah, we can hear you if you can share your screen.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Great.
Okay. So this is the login for the Simple platform. Okay, as you can see, we have the common user and password, and also we are connected to Clave, or we are working on the connection to Clave, that is the Spanish identity provider. Okay, we have two-factor authentication in place. Okay, let's try it again because we took too long. And I have to enter a code. So in my mobile phone, 2 and 5, we are using currently Google Authenticator, but we can use also some other platform. Okay. As Jaime was explaining before, we are working with WebTrans, that it's sending us a notification of the transport orders registered by the consignor for some of the entities working on the platforms. Okay, here we have these 3 shipments. How Simple works is that for each of the events that are coming to, or that are being registered in the platform, if we don't have, if they don't have a shipment assigned, we will create a new shipment with that event as part of that shipment. Okay, here we have these 3. We can check for example, for this one, we can check that we have this transport order event registered. Now, what it's trying to preserve the data sovereignty leading principle, we are just getting notified of what has happened, but the minimal information, when did it happen, who is involved, and how, and also we have information in that payload to enough information to retrieve all the details that are already registered in the WebTrans platform. So now here, when we click on get the details, that it's this icon here, we are actually going back and sending a request to WebTrans and retrieving all the details about this shipment. So we have more information about the goods that are being transferred, and also about the documents that are registered in their platform. Okay, so basically this is the test that we wanted to show. And we also have 2 additional components in place. One is the audit log. It's a component to allow the system to keep track of the changes in the data that we are handling. Okay, so we can know who has made the change. In this case, we have created an entity, and we also have here created an event sent by WebTrans, and we have an additional component, all this exchange of events. It's being recorded in our blockchain network based on Hyperledger. Here you can see we can go to check the transactions. Okay, so it's just to also align with trying to provide trust and to our community of users. Okay. So basically, that was what we wanted to show you about Simple. And now we are open to answer any questions you may have.
Yes, so thank you, Germán. Only final words. Another more time, thank you to WebTrans for the effort, and I think we have shown the possibility of interconnection between platforms, the interoperability, and the data sovereignty. And I think this is about the data spaces, digitalization, and seamless data sharing. But that are the values that this morning has shown us the Commission and our coordinator, Roland. And I think that this is the new paradigm, which is the trusted collaborative logistic. So thank you very much. There is my email there. So if you want any more thing, you can